I'm Dr. Jayashree Rao, the founder of Yash Finance Actualization Pyramid. When people think about retirement, they often imagine a finish line, a day when they finally stop working, a day when responsibilities end, a day when they can simply relax and enjoy life. But I believe this is one of the biggest misconceptions about retirement. Retirement is not the end of life. Retirement is merely the end of one profession. Life continues. Your mind continues. Your experience continues. Your purpose should continue as well. Today, I want to discuss the difference between a comfortable retirement and a stressful retirement. Because the quality of your retirement is not only by money, but also by purpose. You should have a purpose in life. Let us begin with a simple question. Suppose you retire at the age of 55, 60 with advances in healthcare and medical science. Many people today may live well into their 80s or even 90s, 95. That means you may have another 25, 30, 35 years ahead of you, right? So think for a second. 30 years is an entire career, 35 years. Yet many people enter retirement with no plan beyond a monthly pension. They assume that receiving a pension is enough. But is it really enough? Inflation continues. Healthcare costs continue. Life continues. Family responsibilities continue. Unexpected expenses continue. And most importantly, your desire to live well, that too continues. A comfortable retirement is not about surviving. It is about living a better life. It is about having the freedom to travel wherever you want. Spend quality time with your family. Pursue meaningful interests. Support causes you care about. And face the future with confidence rather than financial anxiety. Many retirees discover that what seemed like a comfortable pension 20 years ago no longer feels sufficient today. Why? The challenge is not only financial. It is psychological. Many people spend decades building their identity all around their profession. Then one day, the profession disappears. The office disappears. The meetings disappear. The deadlines disappear. And suddenly, they wake up with no clear purpose. For the first few weeks, they may feel enjoyable, but for the first few months, it may even feel liberating. Eventually, many people begin to experience something unexpected. A lack of direction, a lack of engagement, a lack of meaning. The human brain was not designed for permanent inactivity. The brain needs stimulation, something to do. It needs learning, it needs challenges, it needs contribution. When people stop creating, stop learning, and stop contributing, they often become frustrated. They become isolated and unhappy in life. Many begin spending countless hours watching television for 4, 5 hours, repeating the same routine every day, watching the newspaper, reading the newspaper, complaining about small inconveniences, feeling disconnected from the world, complaining about the people around them. This is not because they are weak. It is mainly because they have lost a sense of purpose. Purpose gives energy to life. Purpose gives structure to our days. Purpose gives us a reason to wake up with enthusiasm. That is why retirement should never mean withdrawing from life. Instead, retirement should be viewed as a transition from obligation to choice. Imagine entering a second career, second profession that is not driven purely by income, but by meaning, doing something for the society. Perhaps you enjoy teaching. You may enjoy mentoring young professionals. Perhaps you enjoy consulting. You may enjoy coaching students. You wish to contribute to community, for development, for social causes, or skill building initiatives. Thought leaders, whatever it may be, retirement provides the freedom to choose work that aligns with your values and your interests, what you like the most in life. And there is another important benefit. The second phase of life can also generate additional income for you. Do you know that? Not because you desperately need it, but because financial independence creates flexibility. Your pension can provide you stability, but your purpose-driven work can provide growth, engagement, and additional resources. Together, they create a far stronger retirement strategy than pension alone. Many people prepare for retirement financially. Very few people prepare for retirement professionally. I encourage everyone to start thinking about this just 3 years prior your retirement or 5 years prior your retirement. What knowledge you have, what are you good at, what skill set you have, what experiences it can teach people or bring awareness. How can I contribute to society? These are some of the things you've got to keep in your mind. And that makes it excited to wake up every morning. Don't think of this as a hobby. This is not a hobby. Hobbies are just important, but hobbies fill spare time. Purpose fills life. Purpose creates meaning. Purpose creates contribution for the society, for the welfare of the community, and often purpose creates income as well. The most successful retirees are not necessarily the wealthiest retirees. They are the people who remain engaged. So they continue learning and growing. They continue contributing. This is the message I want to give you. They continue growing. They continue building relationships with people around them. So that is the difference between merely aging and truly living. So let me leave you with one final thought. That is this. Retirement should not be viewed as the final chapter of your life. It should be viewed as the beginning of a new chapter of your life. A chapter where wisdom becomes more valuable than experience. A chapter where contribution becomes more important than your achievement. A chapter where purpose becomes more important than your position. So do not retire from life. Retire from one profession and begin another. So prepare financially. So prepare mentally. So prepare emotionally. This is the message I want to tell you. And most importantly, prepare purposefully. Because a comfortable retirement is not created by pension alone. It is created by financial security. This is the message. Guys, you haven't subscribed for my YouTube channel? Come on, what are you waiting for? Come on, subscribe and share it with all your connections. You will get all the insightful, knowledgeable lessons, teachings, learnings. And I want to see you in my next video and want to discuss about the comments, what you're writing in the comment box. Take care of yourself. Stay blessed. Bye.